Environment Canada called for 30 centimeters. The thermometer says -12, but the wind chill pushes it to a brutal -21. School buses are cancelled. Schools are closed. It looks like nature has pressed pause. And that pause feels very different, depending on who you are. Right now, across the Greater Toronto Area, millions of us are looking at the same white blanket. But we're not seeing the same thing. Some people look out the window and only see a burden, a disruption, a problem layered on top of an already busy life. Then there are the Stoics. They don't complain, but they don't celebrate either. For them, shoveling or snow blowing is just part of living here. Another responsibility. Another rhythm of Canadian life. And honestly, life is still good. And then, there are a few who wait for days like this. The ones who don't see a winter storm as an obstacle, but as an invitation. An invitation to slow down, step outside, and reconnect with the outdoors. People enjoy snow because it interrupts the routine in the best way. It gives us permission to move slower, breathe deeper, and be present. It brings nostalgia. It softens the noise. It turns familiar streets into something quiet, clean, and almost magical. And it creates that shared feeling of we're all in this together. For many, a snow day means warmth, simplicity, rest. A rare pause from constant pressure and performance. It's the same storm. The same biting cold. The same snow. But completely different experiences. At -21, this air can feel punishing. Or it can feel clarifying. For some, it's inconvenience. For others, it's silence, fresh air, and a chance to reclaim the moment. The weather doesn't change, only how we meet it does. Maybe it's not about loving or hating winter. Maybe it's about perspective. And what we choose to do when conditions aren't perfect. So as I clear this path, I have to ask. Is this weather something you complain about? Something you simply tolerate? Or something you learn to work with, and even enjoy? And here's the smart living takeaway. We often think smart means technology, automation, or shortcuts. But sometimes, smart living is adaptability. It's mindset. It's knowing when to push, and when to slow down. We can't control the 30 centimeters of snow. But we can control the stress we attach to it. The snow is heavy. But carrying a negative attitude is heavier. So clear the driveway. Clear your mind. Find warmth in the work, calm in the movement, and value in the pause. Stay safe. Stay warm. And keep moving forward, intentionally. I'm NB, catching you in the next one.